greater than or equal to. So, for the first one, remember our golden rule, we check the digits in front of the decimal point first. We haven't got anything in any columns other than the one column. Got 2 ones there, 2 ones there. They're the same. So we can't say which one is the biggest because they're the same. So we go to the next column, which is the tens column. There are 4 there, there are 4 there. So they're the same. So then we go to the next column, which is the hundredths column. And there are 6 there and 6 there. So they're the same. However, on this one, we also have 6 thousandths. Now, though they would only be a very, very, very small amount, we still have 6 more of them than we have there. So this number would be the largest. We'd use the greater than sign in the middle. And the next one, we've got 1 whole one, 3 tenths, 3 hundredths, and 3 thousandths. Then we need to divide for this one, using our skills that we used yesterday, 13.33. We need to divide it by 10. We're making it larger or smaller? Smaller. Good, by 1 place, which will be 1.333. So, that one is 1.333. That one is 1.333. So in the middle you would have an equal sign. Good. Okay, right, just bear with me while I change the next slide. Now, we've got a number line. We've got 3 numbers to put in ascending order. Ascending order means going up. If you ascend the stairs, you go up the stairs. So we've got 3.115, 3 and 113 thousandths, 3 11 hundredths. And I've written those numbers up here. And I've written the 3 and 113 thousandths as a decimal, and the 3 and 11 hundredths as a decimal. So we've got our 3 decimals. Now this one is nice and easy because it's already there. It's the start of our number line. The next one, 3.115. Anybody tell me about that number 5 and what that tells you about where it will go on the number line? Where will the 5 be? In the middle. Excellent. Well done. So we count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Right in the middle there. And that will be 3.115. 5 thousandths. Okay? So we've jumped to the halfway line. Well done. Good. So we can now work out this one. 3.113. Well, let's count. We've got 3.11. 3.111, 3.112, 3.113. So it will go there on the number line. Okay? Good. Let's just look at the last slide. And it says, order these numbers in descending order. Now, descending is the opposite of ascending. Descending means going down. So we actually look for the largest number first. We go down to the smallest number. So, looking at that top row, have we got anything before the decimal point? No, so no whole ones at all. Then we've got 1/10 there, 3/10 there, 2/10 there, 1/10 there. So one of them should jump out as the largest straight away. Which one is that?
0.321.
Yeah, 0.321. That's going to be our largest because there are 3/10 there. So we're doing it in descending order, going down from the largest to the smallest. So we've got 1/10, 3/10, 2/10, 1/10. Can you spot the next biggest?
0.231.
0.231, good. And then we've got two numbers that both have 1/10. So we need to go to the next column, which is the hundredths column. In that one, we've got 2 hundredths, and in that one, we haven't got any. So which one is the next biggest?
Is it 0.123?
Yeah, 0.123. And then the last one is 0.123. Good, well done. Okay, so I think we'll jump to the next one, but the next one, there is a little problem. What have we got there? Can anybody spot the problem?
It's meters.
It's in meters, right. Does anybody know how many kilometres how many metres in a kilometre?
1,000.
1,000. So how many kilometres is that? What would it be as a decimal?
3.202.
Right. So that
Skilled the board. Nope.
that's it. Oh, okay. I've obviously upset it. Right, so if you look at the second row, I think now you could do that on your own. You start by looking at the whole numbers, the numbers before the decimal point, they've all got 3. Then go to the tenths, hundredths, and thousandths. I think now I've given you that bit of help, I think you can do that on your own. And then the final question, we've got 65, 65, 63, 65. So straight away we can spot the smallest. Which one is the smallest?
63.
Yeah, 63.999. Right. So we've got to find the largest now. We've got 65, 65, 65. 3 tenths, 3 tenths, and 4 tenths. So which one is the largest?
65.494.
Good. And then we've just got to separate out the middle two. We've got 65 and we've got 3 tenths, 3 tenths. But then in this one we've got 9 hundredths, and in that one we've got no hundredths. So which one is the largest?
Is it 65.394?
Good, well done. The 9 hundredths. So 65.394. And then the smaller one of the two will be 65.309. Okay. So, golden rule. Look at what's before the decimal point, then look at the tenths, then look at the hundredths, then look at the thousandths.